Fisherman's Loop section of the Murphy River Walk, which me and Gypsy are walking on. And so we're walking on the Fisherman's Loop. Of course, Gypsy has to sniff everything. She smells a little bit of something, she's got to sniff it. So this is the Fisherman's Loop section of the Murphy River Walk. Over there is the Valley River. And as you can see, it is fall. So the leaves, the trees are just about bare now. In the summertime, the water from the Valley River usually floods all the way up to here. And sometimes it gets so impassable you can't even pass in there. And here's the wetland, which of course gets all wet in the summertime. Right now it is bone dry from the fall. It's actually about 50 degrees, 46, 45 degrees right now. Supposed to get cold tonight and very cold tomorrow and Thursday. So hopefully get it real cold. And I'll be able to experience it. The Gypsy's finally moving. She's got to sniff everything. So hoping you are enjoying the tour of the Fisherman's Loop of the Murphy River Walk. Like I said, that is the Valley River. And they got little scan things here for a video. If you wanted to, you have access to an iPhone or tablet or whatever, you scan with the QR code, and you can hear different things about it. And Murphy audio tour. You has to keep sniffing everything. Sometimes you can find deer here in this area, especially. I don't see any of that at the moment, but they are known to exist. They usually hide, usually come out towards the early evening anyway. Nice little gravel trail. Fairly easy walk, it's level. And there's the wetland over there. River. Summertime you can go kayaking there, but right now the river is just too shallow. And here's another one of those audio tour scans. Invasive plant. Talk about invasive plants. There are invasive plants in this area that volunteers try to remove and get them out of here because they can be very destructive to the environment. And sometimes the invasive plants actually come from the animals that come out here, like birds, and they deposit the seeds and grow them as well. I technically kind of wonder if that's an invasive plant. Gypsy loves going on walks. Over here is why they call it the Fisherman's Loop, because in this section here, you can go fishing. Valley River Wildlife. And there's an interesting home on the other side of the river. Unfortunately, I have never seen fish in this river. Well, I did, Mark. I can't say I've never seen it. I have seen some fish, but I almost never see a living creature in this water. It's very depressing. But this is where you can go fishing. And you're likely not going to catch anything because I don't think there's ever anything in the river. Because even in the summertime, when the river is all the way past these rocks, sometimes onto the path, I've never seen anybody catch anything in this area. I kind of wonder if there should be probably dead rivers. The only thing I can see is a leaf. And you want to take a break, you can go in this little picnic area to take a break. I see I left a little note here. Something, a message of Christmas, I guess. So this is the Valley River, and there's also a little section here you can go on path. You go on to another picnic, a bench you can sit on, take a tour, take a view of the Valley River as it bends towards the U.S.A. River. That's where we just came from. So Gypsy's got to continue sniffing. We're going to go over this covered bridge. That'll be the end of the Fisherman's Loop once you come past this bridge, the covered bridge. And again, this area in the summertime is all flooded and it's basically inaccessible. So I think they need to increase the height of this boardwalk here so people can actually get through the summertime. Usually in the summertime, all this area is all watered down. And you can tell some people have been into the wetlands area because I can see garbage over there. A little creek. Somebody's leaving bobble tracks all over the place. On the walk. Questions and answers. And I see more garbage pipe down there in the creek. So this ends the Confluence Loop, the Fisherman's Loop tour of the Valley River, Riverwalk. So we're going to go down this way towards the Confluence Loop. And there's that railroad bridge. Hope you enjoyed the video.